American Sanders Pickett here at Floor Mechanics in Omaha. Showing off our lineup of buffers here. You got a little bit of everything. Starting off with the RS16 DC. This is a 1.5 power motor, 1.5 horsepower motor. This machine's great for a lot of different applications. I know a lot of guys that will run it on the Hydrasand, but primarily it's great for intercoat abrasions, just doing that screening coat. Stepping up to the Sander 1600. Again, a 1.5 power motor. This is the Baldor motor, completely enclosed. This machine's about 120 pounds as opposed to the 90 pounds you get with this one. Get a little bit more power without the weight. So it's more of a sander versus just a buffer. And then you're getting up into the Epoch HD. So if you really want to get the job done quickly, really get that floor flat. It's 120 pound machine without the weights. You add the weights, you're at about 145 pounds. With that Hydrasand on there, you're getting close to 160 pounds. I think it's like a 157. But this has 2 speeds. You got a switch in the back here, 175 RPM as opposed to, or you got 175 RPM. You switch it over, now you got 300 RPM. Never switch that while it's running. Always make sure the machine's off when you're making that change. Most everyone nowadays is running a version of this. This is our Hydrasand. You can attach this to any machine that runs a clutch plate. Most machines it will fit. If not, some of them you do need like an extension kit, which you can get from Floor Mechanics. We got 6 5-inch discs. There are a variety of different interface pads that you can put onto the driver pads, or you can put your paper directly onto the driver pad itself, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Because these are tilted just a little bit, or pitched rather, just a little bit, they do spin in opposite directions while you're running the machine. It does have this isolator ring in there, which allows for little to no vibration. The Hydrasand has a clutch plate to attach to almost every buffer that's out there. Very easy to install. So you can see the 3 notches there. All you're doing is lining it up with the grooves on the bottom. Give a little spin, and you're ready to rock and roll. Tip it forward, get your dust skirt on, and all you got to do is plug it in.